Hi, welcome to Pop Along RC. I'm Mark. Today I'm going to be building this Team Associated RC8 B4E. This is a car I wanted for a long time. However, it's not my car. This is a customer's car from our local hobby shop. It's under models. So let's crack on. Right, let's get all the bits out. So nice packaging, always is with this stuff. When you buy Team Associated, you know you're going to get quality. So there we go, everything's out. The beauty about building one of these is it's done bag by bag. You just take one of the bags apart and then start building it. This, I believe, is the first one we're going to need, because the first thing we're going to be doing is building the diffs. Okay, first rule of any build, get organised, get all your bits out, get a nice board and work from a board that's preferably white so you can see any dropped items nice and easily. So actually, first thing to do is the diffs. Now, I'm not going to bore you with a complete assembly, so I'm just going to do these and show you them when they're done. Okay, we're getting on well with this. This is the first diff getting it. Look how smooth that is. That is absolutely silky smooth. All right, there's no oil in there yet, but you know when you've got a quality car when the bits are so well made. Honestly, the machining on that is beautiful. Okay, so first part of the build, we've got the shocks done, nice and easy. Front diff, rear diff, and centre diff. Okay, the build's going well. So we've got the front section on here. That was quite a nice build. There was one screw missing. So when if you're gonna get a kit, just check your screws. Lucky enough, I'll have a good selection of screws. And I found one, but look, front section's done. Time to put the shocks on. Bing! Ta-da! So one thing to note when you do this, there's a tiny little grub screw. When you put this in here, this pin, there's a tiny little grub screw right in there, which you've got to put in. The instructions are good, but they're not that good. Just note that. Okay, so we're doing the rear section here. Everything's coming together nicely. There is one thing I do want to note, and that is these droop screws here. Make sure, because they actually just look like normal hex screws. Make sure you choose the ones with the hex on the other side, just there, see? Because they're exactly the same as the ones that go in here. Choose the right ones. Okay, so rear section done. That went together pretty smoothly, actually, to be fair. I'll put the wrong on, put the wing on the wrong little, you get some, that's not the standard height, is what I'm trying to say. I might leave it there, I don't know, but that's interchangeable, it's no problem. Now to put it on the car. Getting there, looking good. Now to put the rear shocks on. Centre diff in, dog bones both in, and shocks on. All right, now for the electrics. So for this, we're choosing the old brushless combo hobby ring. Can almost rely on a hobby ring product. Very, very good. And the Savox servo. This one is quite an expensive one. As you can see, if you look that up, it's probably about 80 quid retail. SB2271SG. So here we go, XR8 Pro speed controller, 200 amps. That should be well doable with this motor. And there's the motor. So look, let's just get all the stuff in and get this thing finished. So there you have it, a complete build of the Team Associated RC8 B4E. What a nice build it was, and what a good quality kit it actually is. I really enjoyed doing it, but it remains for me now to give this back to its rightful owner, where he can put his own receiver in it, his own connectors, and wire everything up. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't do many build videos, but I thought I'd do one on this occasion because it's such a nice car. Anyway, do remember to like, subscribe, smash the old ding dong bell, and we'll see you soon.